Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Chandrasekharan, your English language trainer. In this class, I'm going to teach you about the sentence pattern which is given in the class 12th English. The sentence pattern plays an important role in English grammar, and before we are going to learn the sentence pattern, we need to learn some important things such as subject, verb, object, adjunct and complement. These are all certain important things which you need to learn thoroughly. First, let me explain you subject. So what is meant by subject? The person who performs an action in the sentence is called the subject, or doer of the action is said to be subject. For example, Murali broke the window. In this sentence, Murali is the subject. It refers to name of a person. The subject refers to noun or pronoun. In this sentence, Murali broke the window. Here, Murali is doing the action. He performs the action. He is the performer of the action or doer of the action. So, we call him as a subject. The next one is verb. Verb plays an important role in the sentence. There can be no sentence without a verb. Verb plays a vital role. In all the sentences you can find verb. Without verb, the sentence will become meaningless. So we need to learn the verb. In the verb, we have different types like main verbs, be-form verbs, moral auxiliaries. No matter whatever the verb it is, but you should be able to identify the verb. The verb tells about an action. If it is a main verb. In case of be-form verbs, it refers to state of being, like am, is, or was, were, will be. So in this sentence, Hari broke the window. So broke is a verb and it's a main verb. The next one is object. Object is more important. Object refers to noun or pronoun. In order to identify the object in a sentence, we should ask a test question, that is whom or what. If you ask the question whom or what, the reply of this question can be an object. Object refers to noun or pronoun. It is either indirect object or direct object. In the same example, Hari broke the window. Here, what did Hari break? The answer is window. The window is an object. But we have to ask the question, what did Hari break? So the answer is window, it is an object. And the next one is complement. Complement is more important. It helps us complete the sentence. It is a completing part. With the help of the complement, the sentence can give us complete meaning. For instance, I am, we are, you are, he is. There is no meaning in this sentence. In order to complete this sentence, we need to use a word. That word is said to be complement. For example, I am a teacher. In this sentence, I is subject, am is verb, a teacher is a complement, because it helps us to complete the sentence. It is said to be complement. And the complement is a noun complement, adjective complement, adverb complement, no matter whatever the complement it is, but you should be able to identify that. The complement is used immediately after the be-form verbs or certain verbs such as seem, look, feel and so on. And in some cases it is used after the object also. The next important part is called adjunct. Adjunct plays an important role. The adverb is only functioning as adjunct in the sentence, like manner, place, time. For example, the train moved slowly. In this sentence, slowly is called adjunct, and we can easily identify by asking the question how, when, where. How did the train move? The train moved slowly. Slowly is adverb of manner. He is in London. Where is he? In London. It is a place adverb. The interview is at 10 o'clock. Here at 10 o'clock is a time adverb. In order to identify the adjunct in the sentence, you can ask this question how, where, when. This adjunct. So I have explained you subject, verb, this is a complement and adjunct. So these are all some important things which we have to learn it, and we need to do a lot of practices. In the object we have two objects, indirect and direct. For example, the cow gives us milk. The cow is a subject, gives us a verb. You can ask the question to whom or for whom. If you ask this question, you will get the answer. The answer is said to be indirect object. For whom does the cow give? For us. What does the cow give? Milk. The cow gives us milk. In this sentence, the cow is subject. Gives is a main verb as indirect object. Milk is a direct object. So, these things are more important. I want you to practice a large number of sentences. By doing so, I am sure that you can easily secure 1 mark. It is most important one. In the part A, it's given that's 1 mark question. I hope that you have understood and enjoyed my video. Thank you so much.